Hi everyone, meteorologist Chad Evans here with a look at your daily weather forecast video, and it's a Saturday edition sponsored by Trent Johnson State Farm. TrentIsMyAgent.com. Thanks to all of you, and of course thank you to all of our sponsors that have just believed in what I'm doing with local weather, and we want to keep it detailed and local with your short, medium, and long range forecasts. Of course, today we've got the snow around, the winds are going to pick up, conditions will not be good the rest of the day. We've already had a lot of slide offs in the area with snow covered roadways. Now we'll warm up some tonight, and some of you will change to rain or rain snow mix with time, but the winds will increase. A lot of wind tonight and into part of tomorrow. Still a few snow showers tomorrow because temperatures will then start to fall. So any water that's exposed or slush will refreeze with time tomorrow. And after the snow we get today and part of tonight, we may have a light dusting of snow here and there tomorrow with a few snow showers around. Some more snow Monday night is possible. Multiple rounds of Arctic air are ahead, and we've got more opportunities for getting some at least minor snowfall accumulation in this forecast. Does it look like 8, 10 inches, 11 inches of snow? I mean, a big blockbuster, everybody gets hit hard. No, but these will be minor snowfalls that will cause impacts, whether it be slick driving or some bits that you may have to shovel or at least sweep off. Certainly, after one small warm up near the 10th or 11th of December with rain, I do think a more persistent warm up will occur towards Christmas. So this year looks like a brown Christmas still, and any snow we have on the ground will be before Christmas and then melt away. But today we've got the snow, winter storm warning, of course, forecast area wide. This is a little bit of a tour of roadways. Now this is at Climbers on 25. This is north of Deer Creek. We can see the accumulation on the roadway. Of course, some of the grass showing here, so less amounts of snow in that general location. But if we compare to Winamac, some pretty deep snowpack. I had a report of 3.5 inches at Winamac and some pretty heavy snow falling there. Again, all these cameras courtesy of NDOT. Plow cams. This is Rensselaer, US 231. Again, up there, some pretty deep snowpack as well. Had 4 inches reported from Jim and Kentland and 4 inches at Morocco. US 41 at Fowler. You see the heavier snow coming down the screen with some slush on it, and roadways covered there as well. Fickle at Highway 28, less. A little coating here, heavy dusting as of just after midday. And there's Crawfordsville, Highway 32, just a dusting right now. We didn't have any snow, or very little snow, if you will, that had fallen up to this point. Now we get the snow coming down at a pretty good clip down in Montgomery County. This is Thorntown in 52. Again, very light dusting here, but there's more snow coming in from the west into Thorntown, Sagamore Parkway, and Cumberland Avenue, West Lafayette there. We see the snow and the slippery roadways and the snow coming back down at that location as it comes in from the kind of southwest. So the surface low is about right here. The upper low is back here. The actual system's kind of moving eastward and slightly northeastward. The individual rounds of snow are tending to move kind of northeastward. So bottom line is, this still has to all come through during the day. There are some holes in it due to some dry air. It's not solid snow all the way back, but some waves of heavier snowfall we see here, and this all has to kind of move in this general direction. And keep in mind, that low pressure is going to be strengthening as it moves this way, so the winds will begin to pick up. They'll be strong out of the southeast, then east, and then they will go westerly and northwesterly with time. And areas that don't necessarily see a changeover to rain snow mix tonight, you're going to have a lot of blowing and drifting snow. So especially in the northern part of our area, as the winds crank up, a lot of blowing and drifting. And any light dustings we get tomorrow will blow around a lot, even as that slushy, wetter snow freezes. We may put a dusting on top of that from the dry snow that comes down tomorrow afternoon, and that is certainly going to blow around. So some holes where it's lighter are not falling. South of Kokomo near Sheridan, a little lighter here near Montmorency, but some heavier snow here from Vedersburg up through Fowler and Morocco. A little lighter here in east central Illinois. Then there's another round back in central Illinois. That's moving eastward as well, with temperatures anywhere from 26 at Winnemac, 27 Logansport and Flora, to 32 at the Zionsville Airport, 26 though at Kokomo, 28 Crawfordsville, and we're hanging at 30 degrees at Covington. And if you look back here, again, there's another shot of Rensselaer, and then this is Thorntown, I-65 and 47, the snow coming down, and we're starting to get some dustings there, and the I-65 beginning to slicken up. So from this point forward, right through tonight up to 4 a.m. early tomorrow morning, early Sunday morning. So we've got this snow to get through, but look what happens. We see the rain-snow mix come in as temperatures rise tonight. So I'm thinking, it's going to be well after dusk when we see a rain-snow mix come in, may even go to all rain down in parts of our far southern counties. It is a little unclear how far north the rain-snow mix will get. It's quite possible from Morocco, Rensselaer, Rochester, and Monon, maybe Peru, that it's all snow and it never changes over or it never mixes. That's possible. So this area that remains in all snow has a better chance of all that blowing around tonight. But no matter which way you slice it, conditions just won't be good today. They won't be good tonight, and even tomorrow, any slush or water will try to refreeze with all that cold air and certainly a lot of wind around. So snowfall totals, again here in the north, 6 to 9 inches of snow. So that includes Fowler, Monticello, Logansport, Peru, up to Winnemac, this whole area. I even included Pine Village, far northwest Tippecanoe County, or at Octagon, Chalmers, up here to just about Deer Creek and north of Galveston. Then we got 3 to 6 inches from Rushville through Frankfort, Lafayette, Linden, Romney, even Covington and Attica, Williamsport, Tab, and then 1 to 3 Lebanon, Sheridan, Tipton, way down here towards Kirkland and Kempton, Tetersburg, Crawfordsville, Ladoga, New Ross, Kingman, and then south of Covington here down to Rockville, and also Montezuma, Eugene, Cayuga, Newport area, 1 to 3 inches of snow total. That's not additional, that's what we've already had and then what we're going to get today and into tonight. And then another little system may come through Monday night. This could bring a 1 to 2 inch snow for the forecast area, a dry, kind of powdery 1 to 2 inch snow with much colder air coming in. There's that system that zips through. Then it's just the cold air dominating. We may have a few flurries and snow showers here and there midweek. Another snow system may impact us at the end of the week, like towards Friday, and that could bring some accumulation to the area, and then more bitterly cold air will come in behind that as the Arctic air continues to surge in, little bowling balls that are released of Arctic air coming in from the northwest. I do think this may break briefly around the 10th or 11th, where we get a little bit of a thaw. It rains. We may have highs in the 40s to 50, believe it or not, for a day. But I think it will turn much colder after that. We'll have another blast of Arctic air, some more snow. And then towards Christmas, like before Christmas, it will warm up again. So this trend here, from now, December 19th, again, the mean temperature below normal. We look towards Christmas, it goes back above normal as the cold retreats. And then the cold comes back in after Christmas, like around New Year's and then into early January, and that could bring more snowfall to the area as well. Rest of today, snow, winds picking up from the southeast, and a high up to 33 by 7 o'clock. There you see the highs, and the wind chills 20 to 25. We're up to 35 this evening at Cayuga, 32 at Monticello, 30 at Wheatfield. Overnight, we rise to 35 in Greater Lafayette. The rain mixes in the snow, and it's all rain potentially down here in our southwest. And that rain-snow mix will move northward, even as far north as like Monticello, perhaps. But look at the wind. Gusts 30 to 40 from the south and southwest, turning to the west late. So any snow, again, like I said, that's not gloppy, or if you have all snow, that is going to blow around a lot tonight. Tomorrow, look at that wind, gusts 30 to 44, decreasing a little bit later on in the day. But west to the northwest winds, and look at the temperature drop through the day. We're down to 22 by 3 p.m. and 19 by 7, so your wind chill's dropping back to the single digits. Some scattered snow showers are possible with some dustings here and there. And then snow comes in very late Monday evening, Monday night, early Tuesday morning. Potential is there for 1 to 2 inches with cold temperatures, highs only near 21, single digit lows, some places 0 or a little below ahead. A few random snow flurries, snow showers Wednesday, Thursday, snow possible Friday, and then another shot of Arctic air comes in behind that as the wintry weather pattern will continue.